So this white speed tick qualifies for me. It's white or medium blue. But since it's only up there at the high of the day, I'm going to need a rock star to short it. That. So got a good fill. 5. Alright, take a look at this. We got a nice push up, going from black to gray to medium gray to almost white. We have a speed tick, high of the day, rock star, open of the bar. It actually backed up, and most of us should have gotten this a better fill if possible, because it did back up and kind of hung around here for a minute before it dropped. So a nice +5 there.